Hey there everybody, welcome to Key Points. This is your daily stock market recap. So today we saw some extraordinary gains with the Dow Jones up over 829 points but peaking at 1,000 during midday. The S&P 500 was up 81.58 points and the Nasdaq was up 198.27 points. The leader of the Dow's huge rise was Boeing, up 11.47% here today. We saw a crazy pre-market here today with the airlines up, some of them 20, 30, 40%. They ended up calming down later in the day. We also saw financial markets going up as well with trusts and investment companies that we saw humongous gains of 20, 30, 40%, but ended up calming down. Some of them stayed with about their 40% gain. This was really great to see as we saw these most still hurt with everything that was been going on. The reason why we saw such huge spike here today is because people are expecting a really great recovery. A lot of people didn't predict a V-shaped recovery could be possible, but this week we saw some extreme gains in a bunch of our investments. The Dow Jones didn't move much yesterday, but ended up moving a lot today. We saw a huge recovery in the airlines, still a lot to go, but a lot gained here today. We saw the cruise lines recovering, different hospitality and restaurants recovering. It's been really great to see, and as the economy continues to open, this will become a very V-shaped recovery if things continue as they've been going. We saw that the May unemployment numbers actually went down, and there's actually 2.5 million new jobs created in the month of May. Trump today also decided to sign a Paycheck Protection Program Flexibility Act of 2020, which he encouraged hospitality and restaurant owners to use to help small businesses. There's still $120 billion in unused PPP loan that the government's willing to give out. This new guidance allows business owners 24 months to use the money that they're granted instead of the 8 months that was required previously. In addition to this, we saw that only 60% has to be used for paychecks instead of the 75% that was required initially. So let's go over Luckin Coffee here a little bit. So Luckin actually had to get their stock put on hold April 7th, and it wasn't reopened until May 20th due to their COO fudging some numbers that they were actually getting and people actually buying their stock. This resulted in their stock crashing down to nearly $2. As it opened on May 20th, we didn't see much activity. It stayed around $2. But then recently, as of Thursday, we saw Luckin increase over 57% that day. And then today Friday, we've seen that their stock increased another 36%. Now, I personally think this is people jumping on a train to try to make a quick profit off of this stock in the rally it's been receiving. But I also recognize that Luckin's offering some very unique things in the China market compared to its Starbucks competitor. And I love to see the competition, so I'd love to see Luckin keep growing and recover from this. But it's going to be a long ways to go until investors start to trust Luckin again after the recent events that they've personally been through. Our stock pick of today is going to be AG Morgage Investment Trust, ticker symbol MITT. This stock blew up out of nowhere today, up over 30%. AG Morgage Investment Trust makes their money through creating a diverse portfolio of acquiring investments, real estate property, and managing those real estate properties. They conduct business through securities, loans, and single-family rental properties. They're still 75.55% down as of where they were before all this stuff started happening. So this is a great company to keep a lookout, and they were paying a great dividends. They've suspended the dividends now, but this is a company to look for in the future as things start to recover. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Key Points Daily Stock Market Recap. If you enjoyed the information and learned something new, please share with your friends and get this video out there. Please remember to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. If you have any recommendations for a video that you'd like to see, put them in the comments down below. In addition to that, I'm going to be releasing a video here soon on some summer jobs that you can be doing, some different creative ideas a lot of people don't really think of that a college student or a high school student could be doing to make some extra cash during the summer, especially with everything going on. In addition to that, I'm going to be releasing a video reviewing Robinhood Gold. I've recently got that, and I've been experiencing and dabbling in all the different features that they have, and I'd love to explain that to you guys. So please stay tuned. With that being said, have a great day.